Hello and welcome. What's up, everybody? My name is Ahmad Khan, and I'm a cybersecurity researcher and programmer. And today's lecture, we will explore how an AI agent can generate malicious code using LLM and execute it in memory in order to evade detection. In order to bypass antiviruses. What, to be honest with you, specifically, I'm going to demonstrate my own coded agentic keylogger. So let me show you intelligent spy, AI powered smart spy keylogger. So it can capture keystroke, capture screenshots, exfiltrate data such as TXT file, doc file, PDF file, and tech picture using webcam. And it is the capability of persistent, and then it's send the result via Telegram bot. So what does it mean? What is agentic keylogger? What the keylogger does? AI powered smart spy keylogger. Basically, it generates an agent. When I click on build agent, it will generate an output exe file. So the exe file will be an agent. It will act as an agent. The output exe file does not contain any malicious code at all. The builder that generate an output file exe, and this executable. The output generated executable does not contain any malicious code itself, and it will be just a normal code that uses a large language model. LLM, but when someone will clicks the agent file, .exe file, it will start the generating and execute malicious keylogger code inside memory, due to which it will bypass all antivirus solution. It's really hard to detect such type of files. So it using an LLM model in order to generate malicious code and then execute inside memory. So just let me give you the practical demonstration, then you will understand how it's gonna work. Of course, it's required API key, Telegram bot token, chat ID, and before using this tool, you can share Cybersec revolution with your friends if they have interest in ethical hacking. Similarly, you can visit Cybersec revolution shop in order to purchase your desired product. So now let's start the practical video. The practical demonstration. Of course, it's required API key as I said before. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the API key. I got it. How I got this API key, how it's gonna work, probably I will show you once we'll get this keylogger. Don't worry about it. So I'm going to paste here. Now let me click on paste. I'm done. And then probably, of course, the chatbot token I will copy. Now let me paste here. And then probably the chat ID. Let me copy the chat ID, and then probably I will paste here. Oops, what's happened? One time, yeah, it's fine. And this one, and then let me check this one. Okay, so all good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to browse an icon. I will browse this icon, and probably I will check keystroke, capturing screenshot, telegram result, exfiltrate data, webcam, persistent. I will check all these options. If I will click on about probably AI AI powered smart intelligence by Keylogger by Cybersec revolution, developer Ahmad Khan, and then probably website, the email, telegram. It's all about us probably. And then finally we'll click on build agent. Keep in mind it takes lots time to generate the output agent. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to close it since I have already generated this one, intelligent spy agent, with the similar type of icon, and its size is approximately 118 MB. So if I will right click, show more option, properties, and you can clearly see it's 118 MB, which is probably large in size. Since it's AI power, it's just like an agent that generate and execute code within memory. Inside memory at runtime, probably the size will be larger than expected. So what I'm going to do, of course, it's take time, as I said before, it's take lots time. So it will generate similar file. So I have generated the file in order to save up my time and as well as in order to save up your valuable time as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to execute the file and just pay your attention. While on the other hand, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show the bot. You can see spy agent, and I have started the bot. I mean bot, not bot. I'm so sorry for my pronunciation. So I will show the detection ratio. Probably I have already uploaded on VirusTotal, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload it again on VirusTotal. It's never recommend to upload the file on VirusTotal, but this is the demonstration lecture, so of course I'm going to do it. So I will visit VirusTotal. Let's see if it's possible. VirusTotal. And I will visit VirusTotal. Let's see. Of course, it will take a little bit time. I think so. VirusTotal is being blocked on this virtual machine since I'm trying different type of malware. You can see it's unfortunately it's not reachable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this file to my main machine, and then I'll upload the file to my main machine. From my main machine, I mean, to VirusTotal. So now you can see I have visited virustotal.com on my main machine, while on the other hand, you can see here I have been tried ai-agent.exe file, which is the similar kind of file generated by the same builder before this lecture, but of course you can see the detection result. Now what I'm going to do, you can clearly see I have moved the file from virtual machine to my main machine, and then I will upload right now this file and I will scan it on VirusTotal. I will click on choose file, and then of course, so in user folder I will choose intelligence spy, but I think so I have to rename it a little bit if it's possible. Intelligence agent, it should be like this. Oops, it's asking for the password. Let me put the password again. So I'm going to upload the file intelligent agent. So I will just upload it. It will confirm the hashes, and then probably it will start scanning. So I will click on confirm upload. While on the other hand, I'm going to move the same file into my virtual machine in order to show you how it's gonna work. So what I'm going to do, oops, I will right click, I will click on copy file, and then I will paste here. So I'm just waiting for this intelligence agent.exe, the same file that I took from my main machine to virtual machine in order to scan it. So I will wait for this probably. While on the other hand, I'm going to check the result for the scanning. It's still on uploading since, as I said before, it takes time due to its size. You know, it's 118 MB approximately. So I'm just waiting for this. Once it will copy it to my virtual machine, and then I will execute it and I will show the result. Just pay your attention. So it's been completed approximately. I'm just waiting for this. So it's done. So now I will click on right click. I will click on open. So the file has been successfully executed in the background. Now let me check the file. So if I'll visit task manager, I'm just waiting for this. I will open it. So let's see. Let me check the file in the background. Yeah, intelligence agent. While on the other hand, let me check the bot if I received any result. So for now, it's fine. For now, no result. So I'm going to write something after a few seconds. First, let me check it, the startup folder. So if I'll type run, And now let me click on OK. And now to check the startup folder, the file should be there as well for processed as well. So I'm going to click on OK, and you will see intelligence agent and startup folder. So I will close it. Just let me write something. For example, I think so here. I'm going to write something like, this is me, Ahmad Khan. I am the developer of this tool. So I have done. Let me check the bot. For now, still I'm just waiting for this, since it's totally AI based. It's intelligence based. It's just like an agent. So you have to wait for this as well. And I'm waiting for this. Meanwhile, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the detection ratio. So, and boom, now you can see here just 2 antivirus out of 68, 2 antivirus detect this particular file. You can see it's fully undetectable. Approximately it's fully undetectable. For now it's just 1 antivirus. Why it's showing 2 antivirus? One, this one, and yeah, it's 1. The detection ratio is 1. It should be 1, not 2. You can clearly see only this antivirus detect my file, as we can see from the previous result as well. I mean the same antivirus solution. I think so it's false positive. The file itself, it's totally clear. I mean intelligence agent.exe, it's totally clear. There's nothing malicious in the file, since it's an agent, so it should be clear as well. So but I think so it's false positive. I'm going to start the bot one more time. All right, what I'm going to, all right, you can see finally the intelligence keylogger has been successfully started, and you can see capture keystroke, since I did not type. I think so the keylogger has started execution right now. So now what I'm going to do, you have to wait a little bit, wait for this. I'm going to type again. You can see here, collected document. This zip file contains exfiltrated data, I mean txt files, doc file, pdf file. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to type one more time. I mean, since the keylogger has started execution right now, so let me type right down, and this is me, gone, and I am the developer of this tool. Now let me check the result. Let's check. And okay, empty result. Now we have to wait for the next result, and you can see since it sent report after each 1 minute, I mean you will get result via telegram, you will get report via telegram after each 1 minute. So you have to wait for this. Now the keylogger has started execution. Since I said before, intelligence agent.exe does not contain any malicious code, I mean any code for keylogger. It's an agent that uses LLM and R to generate and execute keylogger code once you will execute the file itself. So in the next report, I hope I will get this is me, Ahmad, etc., etc. So I think so I got. Now, yeah, I got new report. Now let me check the new report. Boom, you can see here me, Ahmad Khan. You can see it's been captured. I think so it missed this is word, me, Ahmad Khan, and I am the developer of this tool, and you can see here it's been captured. This is, you can see here, this is these two words has been captured in this report, and rest words is being captured, and this one, so it takes it takes picture using webcam from web machine hiddenly. So you can see here. So now it's working properly. Now let me show you again. Intelligence agent.exe does not contain any malicious code, any code for Keylogger. So once you will execute the file intelligence.agent.exe file, it uses LLM to generate the malicious code for Keylogger and then execute inside memory. That's why it takes a little bit time, so you have to wait for this. So now it started work. The agent has successfully generated code for malicious keylogger and executed inside memory. That's why right now I am able to receive the report. I can see the reports. You can see here after each 1 minute it send a report to you via Telegram bot. So you have to wait for this as well. So this keylogger is totally agentic keylogger. It's totally AI powered keylogger. It generate and execute code once you will execute it. The file intelligence agent.exe does not contain any malicious code itself. So I hope you will enjoy this lecture. You can take this keylogger from cybersecrevolution.org/shop website. Thank you.